Hello everyone, my name is Tejashri Kashina Jadhav. Today's date is 25 June 2021 and our topic is data types and its importance. In a data types, variable are nothing but a reserved memory location are store values. This means that when you create a variable, you reserve some space in a memory. So, based on a data type variable is the operating system allocates memory and decides what can we store in the reserve memory. So, therefore, by assigning the different data types to variable, you can store integers, decimal, and characters. So basically, there are two types. We know that type. First one is data types, and second one is a reference object data types. So in a primitive data types, we will see that there are 8 primitive data types to support by the Java. Primitive data types are predefined by the language and named by the keyword. Let us know the detail of this one by one. So first one is a byte. So in a byte, data type is a 8-bit sign to the two complement integers. Its minimum value is minus 128 and maximum value is plus 27, and its byte is default value is 0. Byte data type is used to save space in a large array, mainly placed of a integer, since a byte is a 4 times smaller than int. Example of a byte is 100. Byte is a is equal to 100 and b is equal to minus 15. So second one is a short. Short data type is a 16 sign to the 2's complement of an integer, and maximum value of a short is minus 32,768, and minimum value is minus 32,768 and maximum value is plus 32,768. Short data types can be also be used to save a memory location as per the data type. A short is a 2 times smaller than int. Means this short is smaller 2 times of int data type. The short default value is 0. Value is 0. In int, let's see about the int data types. In int data types is a 32 sign 2's complement integer. My minimum value is minus 2 147 483 648 to maximum value is a 2147 483 647, and it's generally used as a default data types for integral values unless there is a concern about the memory. This in data types is a default value is 0. Then we will see the long data type. In a long data types is a 64-bit signs to the 2's complement. Its minimum value is minus 9223 through 372 to 636 to the maximum value is 923 to 372 to the 336. So it is a default value is a 0 and is wide range of than its needed. Then we will see the float. Float is a data type is use a pointer values. Float data types is a single precision 32-bit store the data, then is used to save the memory location in a large array floating point in a numbers, and its default value is 0. Floating data types is never used for a precise value such as a currency. Example of a float is we declare f1 is equal to take example 243.5 and then f. Then we will see the double data types. In a double data type is a double precision 64-bit store the memory. store the bit. This is data type is generally used as a default data types of a decimal value, generally used to the default choices. Double data types should be never be used for a precise value such as currency, and the default value of the double data types is 0. Then we will see the boolean. We will take a condition only, true and false. In a boolean data type represent the bits of a information, there are only two possibilities, either true, either false. The data types are used for a simple flag that track the true for a condition. The default value is false. For example, we will take a 1 is a true. We will see then the character. In the character, store the character. Store the character. Character data type is a single 16-bit uncode character. So we will in a character take a one example. A character C is equal to A. So then we will see the reference data types. In a reference variable are created using the defined constructor of the classes. Then this is used to the access object. This is variable are declare be of specific type of the cannot be changed. Example employee and other class various of the array variable. Default of the reference or variable is null. A reference variable can be used to the refer to an object of the declared type of any completion type. This is the data type. First one is primitive data type, and second one is a non-primitive data type. In a non-primitive data type, there are some examples: strings, array, interference. In a non-primitive data types, it is non-defined. It's a non-defined, and primitive data types is a basically predefined. So in a data types is what is basic importance. So importance is that it is strongly type language. This means that all operation is a type of check by the compiler of a type compatibility. Is the type of a value determines what the operation of a allow in it, and operation allow and edge type must be allow on other. So the data types is important because of the variable in Java has data type, which tells the compiler what type of variable it is and what type of data going to the store. Data type is a specifier, is a size of a type of a value. Information is stored in a computer memory with the different data types. So this is all about the data types, and it's important. Thank you.